What's up guys, Armando Science here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a video with the black bars on top and bottom just like you see here. So if you're just getting started with video on Facebook, this is essentially the easiest kind of video to create, simply because it requires so little post-production. Essentially what you're doing is you're getting your message across in a video, you're shooting it, and then you're adding the bars afterwards. So right now I'm going to show you how we edit this video so that you can use this in your next video ads.
Okay, so in order to create this video or to edit video, we need several applications. My ultimate favorite app is LumaFusion, but we are not going to use this app right now because it can get a little complicated. But LumaFusion has a ton of flexibility and a lot of control to pretty much do anything you can do in basically something like Premiere, but on the iPhone. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use an app called InShot because most of you guys, I'm going to assume, are going to be beginners when it comes to this stuff. And this is a really easy app to use. So what you want to do is launch the app. So once you launch the app, you can choose different projects. And we're going to create a new video project here. And it's going to ask us to choose from our camera roll where our video is stored. We're going to select the clip that we want to work with. And the very first thing we're going to come here and do is click on canvas, and we want to change the aspect ratio. Now for square videos with the black bars on top and bottom, it's going to be 1:1 aspect ratio. Normally this is the standard video size, 16:9, but if we want the black bars on top and bottom, we want to just choose this option here. And if you notice that there's no background, so it's just going to blur out that right there, and we can adjust our video to make it, bigger and smaller based on, what we want those bars to be. So once we click OK, the next step is going to be choosing a background. Now this is where we can just simply tap on whichever color we want. In our case, it's going to be black, and that puts the background video right there. The next thing that we want to do is just tap on add text. We're going to say whatever we want, right? Black bars. And then on the color wheel right here, we can choose whether or not to have a background if we choose to. And what's cool about this is that it snaps that in place. Now once we do this, we can obviously adjust this and put whatever we want there. Click OK, and then we drag this to include the length of our video. We add another one in, and we'll drag this one all the way down here. And again, we can expand this if we like, or not. It's up to you. And click OK. Now once we do this, we select OK, and then you have black bars on the videos that you just shot. The other thing that we can do with this app is we can add stickers. So I know that you've seen these before. You've seen videos like this all over Facebook. So we can go ahead and do this to this video, and we'll just expand our little icon here, and maybe we'll add that right here on the grass so it sticks out. And we want to only put that towards the end of that video. And now if you play this video, that icon would show up right around that time. Okay, so then the last step is to just export that. Just click export, click save, and what it'll do is it'll process this video and put it into our camera roll. Okay, so now if we go to our camera roll, we can see the video that we just created right there. It's perfectly shot, the lighting is great, the audio sounds good, black bars are on top, and on the bottom we have a little icon, and this video is ready to rock and roll to be uploaded to Facebook to create an awesome video ad.